Assalamualaikum students, in this lesson we will discuss solution of quadratic equation by factorization. It's a unit number 4, solution of equation of D mathematics. Let's discuss how to solve quadratic equation by factorization. Example number 1, solving quadratic by factorization. So 2x square is equal to 7. It is two terms equation. So we will shift 7x to the right side, left hand side. So 2x square minus 7x is equal to 0. Now we have to factorize it. X is common, take x as a common, and what left inside 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So we have factorized 2x square is equal to 7x as x times 2x minus 7. These are two factors and both are equal to 0. Equate both factor 1 by 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is your first answer, x is equal to 0. Now get the second answer, 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. Solve it, rearrange it. So x is equal to 7 by 2. So x is equal to 3 whole number 1 by 2. So you have two solution of this equation, x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3 whole number 1 over 2. So when you have two terms equation, factorize it and equate both factor equal to 0 and get your answer. Example number 2. 3x square minus 5x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is the three term equation, and in previous chapter we have discussed how to factorize three terms, and that method was midterm break or hit and trial method. And what was the method? If there is a coefficient greater than 1 with x square, so we will multiply with the constant term. So 3 multiplied by minus 8 is equal to negative 24, and we have to make the factor we have to use those number of 24, factor of 24. We add or subtract, that should be equal to negative 5. Luckily we have the same number here in this question. Minus 8 plus 3 is equal to negative 5. So we will use these two factors, these two numbers for midterm breaks. So it can be written like this: 3x square plus 3x minus 8x minus 8 is equal to 0. So if you simplify this 3x minus 8x, it is equal to negative 5, and this is also a negative 5. So we have broken down this negative 5 in these two terms. Now make two groups by using grouping method. We also discussed this method in previous chapter. So take x as a common. So in both terms, first two terms 3x as a common, what left inside x plus 1, and in second two terms we will take negative 8 as a common, and it will become x plus 1, and it is equal to 0. So both brackets are same. It's mean we are in the right path. So take x plus 1 as a common factor, and what left inside 3x minus 8. This method has been discussed in previous chapters. Now this equation is factorized. 3x square minus 5x minus 8 is factorized. X plus 1 and 3x minus 8, these are two factors, and equate both factor 1 by 1 to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0 or 3x minus 8, it is equal to 0. So x is equal to negative 1. This is your first answer, and here 3x is equal to 8 and x is equal to 8 by 3, and it is equal to 2 whole number 2 over 3. So your final answer, we have two answer: x is equal to negative 1 or x is equal to 2 whole number 2 over 3, and this is our final. Example number 3 and 4. Students, it's a very important, these are very important example. and we have such type of question is Cambridge examination as well. In both question, factors are already made, equations already factorized, but there is a difference. If you see 2x minus 1 and x minus 2, same factors are here, 2x minus 1, x minus 2, but what is the difference? In example number 3, these factors are equal to 0, and in example number 4, these factors are equal to 5. When these factors are equal to 0, no need to expand it, because these factors are already equal to 0. Equate them one by one to 0. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 2 is equal to 0, and you will get your answer. Rearrange this factor, 2x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 1 by 2. This is your first answer. And now shift x to 2 on the right side, and this is the second answer. So you have x is equal to 1 by 2, or x is equal to 2. But when we have factors equal to another number other than 0, you cannot equate these factors to that number. What you have to do, you have to expand these factors, make quadratic equation, factorize it, and then solve this equation. So we have to expand this equation. Open the bracket, 2x times x, 2x square, and minus 4x minus 1x minus plus 2 is equal to 5. Rearrange this equation, 2x square minus 5x plus 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Now factorized it. Once you factorize it, you will get, after do it by yourself. When you factorize it, you will get the factors 2x plus 1 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now these two factors are equal to 0. Equate them one by one to 0. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. From this factor you will get x is equal to negative 1 by 2, and here x is equal to 3. So you have two roots of this equation. These answers are also called roots of equation. X is equal to negative 1 by 2, or x is equal to 3.